Okay, so this is the last example we're going to do. It's pretty straightforward, but it's a little bit different because we've been going from z-scores to probabilities. Now we're going from a probability to a z-score. So this one says, describe the fuel efficiency of the worst 20% of all cars. Well, knowing what we know about the 68, 95, 997 rule, we know that 68% of values lie between one standard deviation. We know that 95 lie within 2 standard deviations of the mean, and 99.7 lie within 3. That also tells us that this 1 standard deviation below is the 16th percentile. So all of this area is the 16th percentile. All right. Now, if I want the 20th percentile, it's going to be a little bit inside of that. And so I'm going to mark that, and I'm going to shade all this because it's the worst 20% of cars. Okay, so not 16 anymore, but 20%. So now what I have to do is I have to say, okay, well, the bottom 20% or the 20th percentile goes to what z-score? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the chart, and I'm going to look for 20%. Now, down here I got 20.05 and 1977. This one is actually closest to 20%. So that corresponds to a z-score of negative 0.84. Negative 0.84. And so right here I'm going to say z is negative 0.84. All right. And now to get what that is, it should be somewhere between 18 and 20. I'm going to just use my formula for a z-score and plug in negative 0.84. I don't know x. I know the mean is 24, and I know the standard deviation is 6. So some simple algebra, let's multiply both sides by 6. So negative 0.84 times 6, negative 5.04. Negative 5.04 equals x minus 24. If I add 24 to both sides, let's do plus 24. I get 18.96. So 18.96 is x. So this corresponds to, or the worst 20% of cars have fuel efficiencies. Sorry for the handwriting. Fuel efficiencies less than 18.96 miles per gallon. Okay, we should have done this at the beginning to tell us our model and parameters. So let's make sure we got all 4 things. Here's our model and parameters, 1. Here's our boundary, so that's 2. 3 is our mechanics, here, 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 okay? And then 4 is our answer and conclusion. All right, so those examples should help you out and allow you to do the worksheet. Good luck, and we'll check it in tomorrow.